Hey there, this is just a quick video to show you another one of these ice-based solar-powered air coolers I set up. Real simple to make. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, now we just gotta cut them. Perfect. Alright, I got it fired up now. You can see the airflow right there. So the fan's running off the solar panel right outside here. It's a 15 watter. And here it is to a small 12 volt battery, bypassing the solar panel for now. If you want to switch it over to the solar panel from the battery, just hook it straight to the solar panel like this. Now it's on solar. Let's crank this thing on. Awesome airflow, quiet fan. Even got the switch hooked up here. Of course that's optional, but use something like that for the best cooling. I just freeze it in a big plastic pail. Just like that. Drop it in. It does work better if the ice is unenclosed, but of course it's easier if you use the plastic bottles. Just the frozen gallon jugs. Okay, that's what's left after about 5 hours. Not too much.